Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to boot from USB on Lenovo IdeaPad 5. In order to do it, simply shut down your laptop first and then plug in the USB bootable drive. Of course, bootable. You won't probably just like boot from a drive that has your notes in docs file on. It has to be a bootable drive, which, by the way, if you don't know how to create, it's included in the how to install Windows video on this laptop and any other laptop. There's lots of videos like this on this channel. Now press on the power button, which is on the right edge of your laptop, and immediately after releasing it, start repeatedly pressing on F12 on your keyboard. Now, select the USB drive. In my case, it'll be generic SD because I actually have an SD card instead of a USB drive plugged in, but it should say something like USB probably. And now it's booting. And that's it for this video. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.